How to see conversation history on ChatGPT. So if you want to see the conversation history on ChatGPT, then what you need to do is just go with a browser in which you would use your ChatGPT. Once you open the browser, you need to go with search and search for ChatGPT. Once you've searched, you need to go with the first option, which is ChatGPT everask.ai. Click on it, and here make sure to log into your account. Go with continue. Click on introducing ChatGPT, and then click on try ChatGPT, and make sure to log into your account right here. Once you've logged in, if you're on your laptop, on the left side here, you will have all of the conversations. You will have all of the conversation history right here. You can scroll down and you will have 2023 conversations and the recent conversations, previous 30 days conversations or yesterday conversations right here. So that's how you can see your conversation history on your chat GPT. But this will only show if you're logged in. If you're not logged in, then it will not show the history right here. By clicking on any one of these, it will take you to the same exact page where you left. So that's how you can see the conversation history on your chat GPT. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.